Jai Srimanarayana. 47th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam rupam param darsitam आत्मयोगात् तेजोमयं विश्वमनन्तं आद्यं यन्मे त्वदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वम्। Om. Realize that only with Srimanarayana's grace, mercy, you will be able to understand His most effulgent all-pervasiveness, His most glorious Vishvarupam. It is not possible with your own intelligence. That is why surrender to Sri Krishna Paramatma and have Him as your only option. Only then you will be able to enjoy all His pervasiveness. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that only with your compassion, mercy and grace I will be able to enjoy your most effulgent all-pervasiveness and most glorious Vishvarupam. It is not possible with my intelligence. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall have you as my only option and I shall devote myself to you. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada's story to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, Prahlada giving his teachings to his friends like this. Oh, my dear friends, after Narada Maharshi's words, Indra left my mother. And then at that time I was in the womb of my mother. Narada Maharshi took my mother to his ashramam and told her that until your husband comes, you can safely stay here. Then Narada Maharshi to my mother and to me, dharmasya tattvam jnanancha mamapi uddisya nirmalam. He taught about dharmam and the supreme entity. But after some time, my mother totally forgot Narada Maharshi's teachings. But because of Narada Maharshi's anugraham, ఆశీర్వాదం ఉల్లసితంబైన దైవయోగంబున శోభిల్లెడు మునిమతమంతయు ఉల్లంబున మరపు పుట్టదు ఒకనాడైనన్. Because of Narada Maharshi's ఆశీర్వాదం, I never forgot Narada Maharshi's teachings. Oh, my dear friends, if you all believe in me, now this is the time for all of you to realize about that supreme entity. The bodies that we are in are having 6 kind of changes. At some point it takes birth and it exists, it grows, it changes, it deteriorates, and it completely destroys. So these 6 changes are there with bodies, whereas we are in these bodies. These 6 changes will not be there to us. Us means Atma. Oh, my dear friends, Atma, the soul, is all over. That is why it is called as Nitya. And these 6 changes are not there to Atma, that is why it is called as Avyaya. And there will be no attachments, no hatredness to Atma. Atma is very subtle. It can enter into any entity, but nothing can enter into Atma. All the Atmas in all the bodies are same, looks same, because Atmas are an embodiment of Jnanam. Oh, my dear friends, for all of us, these bodies to be existing, Atma is the main support. So we never recognize, we never identify Atma as different from this body, but we need to start looking into that aspect. As and how when there is a mines, gold mines, the expert of that mines will be able to identify gold in that entire mine. So also, if we can learn about Atma, we will definitely be able to identify Atma in every body. Like that, Prahlada giving his teachings to his friends. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं, हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 11th chapter 47th श्लोक। मया प्रसन्नेन तवार्जुनेदं रूपं परं दर्शितमात्मयोगात्। तेजोमयं विश्वमनन्तमाद्यं यन्मे त्वदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वम्। मया प्रसन्नेन तवार्जुनेदं रूपं परं दर्शितमात्मयोगात्। तेजोमयं विश्वमनन्तमाद्यं यन्मे त्वदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वम्। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।